dito, no? Yung una is overcoming comfort zone, no? Ano yung mga I want you to think about this. Ano yung mga bagay, especially in the area of leadership, na sinasabi natin na ito lang yung kaya ko eh. Ito lang yung kaya ko, no? What is one area in your life or work where you're now, you know you've been playing safe for too long? Hanggang dito lang yung kaya ko, no? You're worried na you cannot do anything more than what you're doing now. Basically, you're already doing your best. At ito lang yung kaya mo. Yan. I want you to recognize that. Ano yan? Okay? Sabi ko sa inyo, medyo kailangan yung maging open-minded and self-aware in this session. Yung pangalawang tanong is, anong parte ng inyong work or ng inyong buhay yung sinasabi nyo, hindi ko kaya yan, no? What is one negative thought or self-doubt that often hold you back? Di ba? So, James, anong position title natin this year?